The 2025 Toyota Fortuner carries a bold and muscular look with sharper LED headlamps, a redefined front grille, and a robust bumper. It features sleek daytime running lights, newly designed alloy wheels, and a more aerodynamic body. The rear includes LED taillights, a roof spoiler, and a redesigned tailgate with chrome accents. This SUV stands tall with a strong road presence. Ground clearance remains high, making it suitable for off-road conditions. The wheelbase ensures stable handling on highways and rough terrains. The interior feels more premium than ever, with a dual-tone leather dashboard, soft touch materials, and metallic trims. Ambient lighting enhances the cabin experience, and noise insulation has been improved for a quieter ride. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, Bluetooth, and USB ports. The Fortuner also includes a digital instrument cluster for a modern driving interface. The SUV includes a 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, lane keep assist, and pre-collision warning, making it more secure and easier to drive in all conditions. The Fortuner offers 3 rows of seating. Front seats are ventilated, electrically adjustable, and provide lumbar support. The second row has a 60:40 split, is reclinable, and offers excellent legroom. The third row has been made more spacious, ideal for short trips or children. Rear passengers benefit from dedicated AC vents, fold-down armrests with cup holders, USB charging ports, and adjustable headrests. The legroom in the second row has increased compared to older models. With the third row folded, the Fortuner offers generous boot space. The tailgate is powered and can be opened with a foot sensor for added convenience. The 2025 Fortuner offers multiple engine options depending on the region, including a 2.8L turbo diesel engine producing 204 horsepower and 500 Nm torque, and a 2.7L petrol engine. Transmission options include a 6-speed automatic and 6-speed manual gearbox. It supports rear-wheel drive and 4WD options for off-road adventures. Diesel variants offer around 12 to 14 km/L, while petrol versions deliver approximately 9 to 10 km/L, making it reasonably efficient for its size and category. Suspension and ride quality. The new Fortuner features improved suspension tuning for better comfort on rough roads. It uses a double wishbone front and 4-link rear suspension system. Equipped with ABS, EBD, 7 airbags, downhill assist control, vehicle stability control, and traction control. It meets international crash safety standards. Toyota has reinforced the Fortuner's frame with high-tensile steel for better durability and crash resistance. Fit and finish quality is top-notch. Technology add-ons, keyless entry, push-start button, wireless charging pad, automatic climate control, rear camera with guidelines, connected car tech with remote lock/unlock, and over-the-air software updates. Available in multiple color choices including pearl white, attitude black, graphite gray, and bronze mica. Variants range from standard trims to GR Sport, GRS, Edition. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is a perfect blend of power, practicality, and premium appeal. It's ideal for families, off-roaders, and Toyota loyalists looking for a reliable and feature-loaded SUV. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next review.